Hello students, today we will learn about the quick multiplication by 999 and 999. By this method we can easily find the product of 2-digit number by 99 and 3-digit number by 999. So let's go ahead with some supportive slides. Suppose you have to multiply 43, which is a 2-digit number, by 99, then what exactly you have to do? Let's see. With the help of given example, I will make you learn how to multiply a 2-digit number by 99 and can get the answer quickly without any multiplication. See, here in 43 and 99, you know that 43 is called the multiplicand and 99 is called the multiplier. So, in first step, as you can see that we have to subtract 1 from multiplicand, which is 43. After subtraction, you will get 42. Now, this number must be subtracted from multiplier, which is 99. Now, you will get 57. So, dear students, now you can write your answer as 4257, that is 4257. You can understand the same with the help of one more example. Here 67 is multiplicand and 99 is multiplier. Again you have to do the same which you have done earlier. As we will subtract 1 from multiplicand and we will get 66. Then we will subtract 66 from 99 and we will get 33. So as you can see that your answer will be 6633, that is 6633. Now we will learn how to multiply a 3-digit number by 999. Children, here you can choose any 3-digit number. As you can see that in this slide 142 is being presenting as multiplicand and 999 is multiplier. Again you have to repeat the same as earlier. 1 should be subtracted from multiplicand, that will be 141, and 141 must be subtracted from 999 and the difference will be 858. By this way the answer will be 141858, that means 1,41,858. यानी फिर से हमें पहले दो स्टेप्स रिपीट करने हैं. पहले हमें मल्टीप्लिकेंड में से 1 माइनस करना है, क्योंकि मल्टीप्लिकेंड 142 है तो इसमें से 1 माइनस करने पे 141 आएगा. अब इस 141 को हमें 999 में से माइनस करना है, जिससे कि आंसर आएगा 858. इस तरह आपका आंसर बिना मल्टीप्लाई किए होगा 141858. 141 हमें पहले स्टेप में मिला है और दूसरे स्टेप में हमें 858 मिला है. इसका मतलब आंसर आपका हो गया 1,41,858. We can understand this method with the help of one more example. In this slide 439 is multiplicand and 999 is multiplier. Again the same method has to be followed. 1 must be subtracted from 439 and we will get 438. Now 438 must be subtracted from 999 and we will get 561. By this way you will get the answer as 4,38,561. So students, I hope that you have understood the trick by which you can do the multiplication of any 2-digit and 3-digit number by 99 and 999 respectively. You can also show the magic to others. बस ध्यान दो बातों का रखना है कि अगर आप 99 को मल्टीप्लायर रखते हैं तो मल्टीप्लिकेंड भी 2-digit नंबर होना चाहिए, और अगर आप 999 को मल्टीप्लायर रखते हैं तो मल्टीप्लिकेंड भी 3-digit नंबर होना चाहिए. आगे वही दो इजी स्टेप्स करने हैं. पहले आपको मल्टीप्लिकेंड में से 1 माइनस करना है और दूसरे स्टेप में आपको जो भी नंबर आपको पहले स्टेप में मिला, यानी माइनस करने पे मल्टीप्लिकेंड में से 1 माइनस करने पे आपको जो भी नंबर मिला उसे आपको मल्टीप्लायर में से माइनस करना है. I will send you some more useful videos further, so do practice and update yourself. Thank you.